What it do, YouTube? Bringing you guys another video with the Malibu, and here's what we gonna do. I've been getting tired of this plain look right here, so I went ahead and ordered this ducktail. It's a carbon fiber ducktail. It does come with these tips at the end. Nice finish towards it. Actual tail. Try to get it in an angle. I'm gonna hold it with my knee and in an angle. I said about a 60-degree angle. To cut this little edge, you could use your little X-Acto knife. Go ahead and cut it towards the line that you made. I'm gonna put the camera down because it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. And once you have the pieces cut out to your preference, soap and water, you want to wipe down the surface that you're about to place it on. Next, you want to get some rubbing alcohol and wipe down the surface. Alright, now for the fun part. Heating this up. Heat up the surface that you're going to apply this on. Try to heat it up. Try to line it up as best as you can. But try to keep this side in the air like this since you haven't heated up yet. Try to hit the little corners of it. Just make sure it gets heated up very well. And you can press it down some more. So basically what you're doing right now is melting tape. Work piece by piece, don't start doing everything at one time just to get the better results out of it. Another alternative if that does happen, you may use this black super weather strip. It's an adhesive right here. See it lifting up here. Same thing, heat it up. See how it came out over here. Excess of it. That was from the adhesive. But once it cools down and everything, you could just go ahead and pass it with your little blade. Get that little residue off. So I'm gonna try to finish up this part of it. I got more things coming to this vehicle, so if you guys did enjoy, like, comment down below if you got any questions. So far this is what I've done to the vehicle. Yeah, it's kind of dirty, but if y'all guys want to know how I did these emblems, please let me know and I'll give y'all a quick tutorial on how I did this. Excuse of it being dirty, I never keep it this dirty. I never even let it see the side of dirty. That little detail came out looking real good. If you guys want a quick brief explanation of how I did this, please let me know down below. If you guys enjoy, drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Hope you guys have a blessed day.